Welcome back, everybody. Just as a forewarning, this video is not gonna be scripted. With this type of topic, transparency is very important, so I kind of just want to take this opportunity to just level with you guys. So if you watched the video I made about the startup I co-founded recently, it was a few videos ago, I mentioned that this change was coming, so this is the video announcing that change. I'm no longer gonna be reviewing technology on MS Tech, and there's not gonna be any hosts reviewing technology on MS Tech. Instead, I'm gonna be making videos about what interests me. And right now, that happens to be startups, venture capital, and the startup arena, and the whole business side of technology. Now, I don't wanna get sentimental or anything, but it's important to mention this. MS Tech, this channel, has probably been the best thing that's ever happened to me. I truly appreciate all the support I've gotten over the last 4 years. It's given me opportunities and experience that I never would have had otherwise, and it really does mean the world. And I hope you guys understand where I'm coming from with this change, and hopefully to some degree you guys like the change. So to be honest, I've completely burnt out from making tech videos. The format is just it's completely burnt out to me. I struggled for a long time on exactly how to address that issue, how to solve that and make it better. I spent all this time, 4 years, building this platform and building this audience, and it's amazing, but I didn't just want to give up on it, so I didn't really know what to do. I have this incredible platform to express myself and an amazing audience that cares about what I have to say, and I didn't want to just let that die out and forget about it and stop uploading videos, so I figured it's time to make a change and actually have the videos represent and express myself and reflect my interests. So that's what I'm gonna do, and now I'm gonna talk a little bit more about the specifics around that. So most recently, I've been working a lot on my startup I co-founded. It's called Vade. I'm actually wearing the shirt right now. I've made a video sort of exploring it. You can go check that out. It'll be linked in the description. But through the research on the business side of that, I found so many concepts that are so interesting to me, like founders and equity and fundraising and pitch decks and actually giving a pitch. It's all extremely fascinating to me, and those are the types of concepts that I want to be talking about on this channel and discussing with you guys. Of course, that is the short-term future. I want these videos to continuously reflect myself so I don't get into that position where I'm making videos I'm no longer interested in. So if Vade continues and I continue to be involved in the startup side of things, then of course that'll be what the videos I make on whatever topics or concepts interest me. But if my interests change in the future, the videos are going to reflect that. I want this channel to be an outlet of what's interesting to me and what I want to talk about. A few things worth noting, a little more detail oriented. The first of which is audience. I totally recognize that this change is going to be alienating a lot of my audience because some of you are just interested in tech and don't care about startups. For those of you that are, this could be fantastic. If you're not interested in it, maybe these videos will incite some interest in startups and venture capital. Maybe you'll learn a thing or two. But bottom line is the only thing I can ask is you give it a shot. Maybe watch 1 or 2 videos and see what you think. If you don't like the content, you don't like the types of videos or the concepts I'm talking about, there's no hard feelings there. I completely understand. This is a big change. I know I'm taking a risk, but it's gonna be worth it because this is really what I want to be doing. The second is video format. So most of the videos from here on out will be similar to this, me talking to a camera, a very conversational video format where it's kind of just meant to spark a discussion with you guys, meant to be very involved in like the discussions and the comments. I'll always be down there talking. I want to make videos about the topics and concepts that you guys are interested in as well. So if anything catches your eye or catches your mind or your ear, I guess if you're listening, just let me know in the comments on those videos, and that way I can structure the concepts I talk about around what interests both of us to hopefully make a mutually beneficial system there. And the last thing I want to mention is revenue, and this isn't something I talk about too much on the channel. If you don't know, Amazon affiliate is our largest revenue stream. That's when we link to products in the description. Of course, without product videos, there's not going to be any more affiliate revenue. I'm really not worried about that. This transition is not about the money. I'm perfectly fine losing that revenue stream. All I want to do with this is get back to a point where I'm making videos that I'm interested in and then continue growing the platform and hopefully be able to foster out of stuff I'm interested in rather than just the tech videos that I've become so accustomed to. So that's going to be it. I know this is a big change. I really want to hear your guys' feedback on the change. I know not all of you are going to like it. If you're just here for the tech videos, you're probably not going to like this too much. I know, I'm sorry about that, and I appreciate the support you've given me more than anything in the world, but this is a change I really need to make to get these videos back to something that I'm really interested in, and I think it's going to be for the better. The videos are going to be more engaging and more authentic, so I think it's going to end up being a good thing. And on that note, when I start uploading the actual startup related videos, if you ever have a topic that you're interested in or something that I mentioned in the video that you want me to do a dedicated video on, just let me know in the comments. I'm going to be very active in the comments as the channel goes on from this point on, so I want it to be very conversational down there, and I know there's going to be a middle ground in there with the startup related stuff that you guys are interested in, that I'm interested in, and then we can have a nice discussion around that. That said, thank you for the support over the last 4 years. I hope I still have your support going forward. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more content, and as always, stay classy.